Welcome to the review of ETaker F2000, a car alternator and solar charger combined in one. Let's have a look at what it came with. At first, we have ETaker F2000, a heavy and solid piece of equipment. It has metal plate on the back and it has 4 connectors overall. Let's look at those connectors first. We got 2 input connectors. One for the car input. It has battery post terminal type connectors. It has a solar input. Again, it has battery post terminal type connectors. On the same side, we got another connector to communicate with the alternator. We also have 3 LEDs and a power button. On the other side, we have a DC output with a battery post terminal type connectors. We have the exhaust fan in between, and we have a proprietary ETaker connector. In addition, it came with a really long cable, 5 meters I believe, about 15 feet of cabling. This cable is protected with the wire sheathing, and on the ends you have OT connectors. So on both sides. In addition, it also came with a 125 amp fuse connector, which I already connected here, and this wire really feels solid. Plus, they really thought about this, right? They did. They provided us with 2 MC4 connectors, MC4 to OT connectors, and again 2 for positive, 2 for negative, MC4 to OT connectors. In addition, they gave us a bunch of shrink wraps. I'm just showing 2 here, one for positive, one for negative obviously, and a bunch of OT connectors like this. Okay, well, before using this device, you need to make sure you're following the safety precautions. So they clearly mentioned those safety precautions, which are mostly common sense for anybody who worked with these kind of devices, but I'm going to read them out anyway. They are specifically provided it in the user manual. So the thing is, you need to make sure that all the power sources are close enough. The area where you're using this is ventilated, and no kids and pets are allowed around these things, and do not keep anything which can go boom, flammable materials close to this. That's essentially what the safety precautions are. Let's take a moment to go over the specs of ETaker F2000. It weighs about 4 pounds or 1.72 kilograms. To be accurate, it is 3.79 pounds, as you can see. It is equipped with Wi-Fi, and you can control it using Smart Life app. It's an app where you can add many smart devices, so you probably already have it if you use any smart devices, and you can use that to control the app. It also has a Bluetooth, and it can output up to 1800 watts maximum. It can take input of 1000 watts maximum on the solar and 800 watts input maximum on the car alternator. It also comes equipped with a 125 amps fuse, which you can put in line when you're connecting it to your car alternator battery. And we're going to see how to use this thing to connect to a car alternator, to a solar panel, to both of them at the same time, and how to use it to charge a battery from a power station and vice versa, and so on. Thank you.